the GMS Jaguar F Pace SVR. We take this up to 670 bhp and over 800 Newton meter with our stage 2 modification. So it's got our ECU tuning, our gearbox tuning, and our own smaller supercharger pulley as well. The smaller supercharger pulley means that it's going to get more boost sooner in the rev range as well, so it's got an even more instantaneous feel. The standard, the 5-litre supercharged engine can feel almost like it's got lag. It's a little delay before the boost kicks in. Now it's super instantaneous, straight off the line. You're feeling that boost, you're feeling it kick in. 5-litre supercharged V8 engine really is the last of those proper muscle car engines. And now that Range Rover have moved their SVR over into the BMW engine, this is your last chance really to get this engine in a really luxurious vehicle such as this for F Pace.
If you're interested in this upgrade or any of our other upgrades, get in touch with me. Usual email, usual phone number. Look forward to talking to you soon.